Good story, fishtail. Well, he said it's not a fishtail, but I like it. Jason, what do you think?
All those wildlife, I mean, they're vitally important to all of us here in Northeast Ohio, from Lake Erie to Cuyahoga River. All of them are very, very important. So we appreciate you, Carl Bachtel, for that report. All right, let's talk about what we're expecting in terms of the weather world, because certainly you've heard some of the rain showers out there right now. Perhaps you've seen a little bit of a light show, as well as heard some rumbles of thunder move through the area. This is all because we have that strong frontal boundary that's going to be moving through. That frontal boundary is still not moving into Northeast Ohio right now. We're still on the leading edge of that. And so that leading edge has prompted a lot of very warm, moist air across Northeast Ohio for today. 71 degrees recorded at Cleveland Hopkins, 65 degrees rather is the average. 56 is where we should have been this morning. You can see there 48 degrees is the average there. 56 is where we were this morning. 48 degrees is where we should have been. So we've had a lot of cloud covering. We also had a south wind across the area for today, leading towards those very warmer than average temperatures across the region. This is likely indicative of what we're expecting to come into the area. 45 degrees right now in Minneapolis, 58 in Chicago, 61 degrees right now. We've seen about a 10 to 15, perhaps even up to 10 degree spread between Minnie, Chicago, St. Louis, Little Rock, Nashville, even up towards Cleveland. All throughout the day, we've had at least a 10 degree spread between all of those locations throughout the day because of this frontal boundary that's going to be moving through. It is very slow, and for some areas it's been moisture starved. Now, as it's moved towards the east, it's gathered a lot of more energy and a lot of more moisture riding in tow with it as well. The severe trough that we have moving through the region over the next 24 to 36 hours is really what we have to hone in on when we look at that weather story and the theme of the weather story over the next few days here. As we move towards the latter portion of the weekend to early next week, that trough really takes precedence of what we're expecting here in Northeast Ohio, and likely what is to come from that as well in terms of its effect. Precipitation turning over to mixed precipitation. This is likely what we're going to be dealing with for Monday and Tuesday of next week. As of right now, we have very much so warmer than average temperatures. It is all rainfall, and that's what we expect from the upper levels all the way down to the surface, well above freezing level precipitation across the region. Widespread shower activity moving towards the areas west towards east along 71 and even 77. You can see there widespread showers Erie, Lorain, extending over towards Medina and also Cuyahoga County. This is heavy rain, in fact, in terms of gusty winds, anywhere from 15 to 20 miles per hour. This is what we're dealing with, stretching all the way back over towards 90, extending over towards Ashtabula region. South winds 10 to 15 miles per hour, gusts up to 20 miles per hour. Additional rainfall, even anywhere from maybe 1/10 of an inch up to 3/4 of an inch, expecting for Friday afternoon. Here's your National Design hour-by-hour forecast. Once we enter to early Thursday morning, we're still dealing with some very heavy rainfall moving through the region and even some claps of thunder. It starts to titrate down, maybe some mostly cloudy skies for the first half of our Thursday. Peaks of sunshine in the afternoon hours, but still dealing with some lingering light rain showers through the afternoon hours. And I think we'll be able to get a little bit of more peaks of sunshine, but temperatures will be falling throughout the afternoon into the evening hours. And we really see that take effect once we get into Thursday afternoon. We get a little bit of a reprieve. You can see there by Friday heading in towards Saturday, we rebound just a little bit into the low 60s in your home mortgage 7-day. But by the time we get to Sunday, upper 50s expected, 40s widespread by Monday and even on Tuesday with some mixed precipitation.